Wait! Give up! A few fresh tomato slices. I'm not giving up! A slice of cheese and ham, and it's almost done. Take this! I'll post new pics on my Instagram. A lettuce leaf? Then I'll be done. You don't get to leave! I'm in! A morning cup of tea. Wait for me! Water attack! Get ready for war! Duck! My serve! Whoops! My perfect breakfast! It's ruined! I am so sorry, Dad! You are in big trouble! Clean up the backyard! Hold this. And this. And this! Alright! But Dad! This place better be squeaky clean by the end of the day! There you go! So much for a nice day! It'd take a year to get through this! Cute lights!
Oh!
Sweeping is so boring! Sharon, why aren't you cleaning? I'm busy! I'm coming up with a plan for our secret room! Look! There will be space for you and Jill! We'll have a swing! Oh! I love it! Whoa! Awesome! Let's start building it! I found a leaf blower! It's super heavy! Let's do this! You take care of that corner, and I'll clean up this. I'll collect the trash in the middle. There's so much stuff! Ashley, are you ready? Come on! These boards will still come in handy. Jade, grab the lights. We can use these too. I'm stuck! Help! Whoops! The chair is super wobbly. I'm gonna fix it. I need this screwdriver. The last screw. What? Ice cream? Let's make a frame. We need more supplies. I'll get them. I'm all set. Who can unscrew more? I can. Go for it, Sharon. Good job, sisters. Hey, I was doing my best.
Oh.
Don't need this. I have a thought. We'll make a second floor. Sounds good. The frame is done. My ice cream. And over here, we'll set up a swing frame. I brought wood planks. Like this. Flawless. Whoa! You are so fast. This spot is for a lemonade bar. Time to redo my nails. Thanks for reminding me. Anytime. We have to do the painting. Here's paint and brushes. Painting is my specialty. Go ahead. Paint. I pick yellow. Whoops! Jade, time for this side. Ashley, not your nails, the frame. I know that. Excellent. We're done painting. What's next? We need a tire for the swing. Get it. The tire's here. Bring in the rope. Got it. Let's secure it and the swing is ready. Want to test it out? I do. Woohoo! Ashley, did you find a pool? It's sick, right?
Wow!
Now we should inflate the pool. Come on, come on! It's gonna take long. I've got an idea. Hold the pump. Come on, come on! There are 2 blankets. I'll go with blue. And install the pool. I'll have a pink blanket. Ow! It's so uncomfortable. Here's an idea. They are up to something again. Girls? Now it's nice and comfy. We did amazing. Something is still off. Of course. More light is what we need. Lights.
Wow!
Give me some time. Done. Whoa, sis. You are amazing. But we still need to get equipment for our lemonade bar. I'll sneak into the kitchen for lemons. Watch out, Lemon! Hee-hee! Who's here? Where did the lemons go? Girls! A tire! Another one! More! That should be enough! Paint! We need a bar counter! This board looks good! We'll keep it! Yo, Ashley! I got lemons! Let's make lemonade! Who's thirsty? Whoa! I attached the shelf! It turned out perfect! We need a sign! Hey, neighbors! You started your own business? Good for you! Thanks! This is for you! Mmm, delicious! Here's the money! It's okay! It's on the house! You are so sweet! Sweetie, can Daddy have some lemonade? Sure thing! That'll be $5. But I thought… Fine! Here's a 20! Your lemonade! And your change! $2? I'm confused! $2 isn't enough! Guys, I gave a 20. How much change should I get back? Count and comment down below. I'll count our earnings. Surprise! I found a ladder! Can you help me attach it? Sure! Done! I'm going up and you bring a hose. Here! Why isn't the water coming? Help me! Hose! You picked the wrong people to mess with! Here! Take this! Oh no! I can't watch it! I stopped it! What's the point of a pool with no water? It's no big deal! I have balls! Whoa! Bring them in! A ball pit is the best thing ever! Our house turned out amazing! Girls, I approve of it! You cleaned this place up and decorated it! Who wants chips? Thank you, Dad! We have lemonade for everyone! Should we watch a movie? I've got a better idea! Let's all watch Troom Troom! This is a perfect family night!